Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your debit card to the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Payments and Subscriptions to proceed to the next step. This will take you to the payment settings. Now that you are in the payment settings, tap on Payment Methods to see your existing options. To add a new card, select Add Payment Method. This action will present you with several choices for how you wish to pay. From these options, make sure to choose Add Debit or Credit Card to continue with linking your debit card to your Google Play account. It's time to input your debit card information. Carefully type in the 16-digit number found on the front of your debit card. Next, enter the card's expiration date, including the month and year, and the 3-digit CVC code from the back. Finally, accurately provide your billing address details, ensuring they match the information associated with your debit card for successful verification. Once all your card details and billing information are correctly entered, tap the Save button to securely store your debit card. Google Play might perform a very small, temporary verification charge, usually less than $1, which will be refunded. After this, your debit card will be successfully linked and ready for making purchases, subscriptions, and in-app buys on the Google Play Store.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.